Okay, so now you know how to move motors or control them. So what you can do is you can, for instance, let's make this drive in a square. So I'm going to go ahead and use some comments, and we know for a fact that this moves forward, or we'll say that it moves forward, because if I hit upload and run, so this is moving this way. Can't really tell, but they should be going, so this should be moving clockwise. If this is moving clockwise, then this should move counterclockwise. So if you want to move forward, they need to move in opposite directions. So maybe if we change the motor, would that help? I think I just switched the colors, but oh well. So this is moving clockwise. Sorry, counterclockwise. This is moving clockwise. So they're moving in the opposite direction, so that's good. So then that means they're moving forward. So I'm going to click back my code editor. So if I want to make it move backward, then I can simply just copy and paste this. I have to hit stop simulation before you can make edits to your code. So if I want to move backwards, let me go ahead and put a comment that says backwards. So anytime you put this double dash line here, that means you can write anything that's on your mind, make a comment. It's not going to affect the code, nor does it affect the memory going into the Arduino to process information. So you should be good if you ever use comments, so it's good practice to make sure that you use comments. So this is going to go backwards, and like I mentioned, 6 and 5 are one motor. So if I want to move it the opposite direction, then I would set this to low, this to high, this to low. So the old switcheroo. Alright, so that's backwards, and I'm going to copy. Actually, if I want to drive it in a square, because that's kind of what I was going to say to do. So I'm going to go forward for 1 second, then I'm going to turn right. And so if I'm going to turn right, I only want one motor working, so I'm going to go ahead and let's say it only turns for half a second. And then it's going to go forward again, because I'm going to make it go in a square. So it should go forward, right, and then we'll stop. So all I guess to do is copy and paste. So forward, right, forward, right, forward. No, it's forward, right, forward, right. So I need 4 forwards. So forward, right, forward, right. I mean, obviously you couldn't really tell on this program, but in reality this is what you would want to do if you wanted to make it drive in a square. So you're going to go up, turn for half a second, so you're going to go forward for a second, turn half a second, forward for half a second, turn for half a second, forward, turn, forward. So I need 1, 2, 3 rights and 4 forwards. So forward, right. So I just need one more forward. And now I want to stop. So if I want to stop, then I should turn everything off. Alright, so it's driving in a square.